You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word designating anything relating to or affecting cats. These include big cats, lions, jaguars, and other big cats. English pronunciation feline. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Feline, not feline. That's the French pronunciation indeed. So unless you're really using it in a French-related context, maybe it might be feline. But in English correct pronunciation, feline. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.